3063 County Road 484. This is on an acre lot. Very quiet, very peaceful out here. Property is fully fenced. Got a whole shaded area over here. I'm gonna do like kind of a quick thing with the outside because it's, number one, it's hot, but number two, it's, I mean, you can see while I'm walking, it's a pretty big square property. The barn is not included. So this fenced area is the property line. So come in this fenced area, you have a whole front yard here fully fenced. There's a secondary yard over there that's fully fenced. Let me get over there quicker. Get a little cardio in. All right, so this is a nice like fenced dog run or something like that. It's fully shaded, but it's a separate fence. So a nice little separately fenced property. So let's get on up. All right. All right, the property is 2,000 square feet. It has brand new flooring. Brand new flooring. So this is the main living room. It's a vinyl plank. We will go right to the kitchen. Got a nice laminate counter, white cabinets. Fridge goes there. So the fridge is over here because the whole property has just been painted. The fridge will be moved over to there. The fridge is not going to go into the pantry area. Breakfast area. So pantry is kind of hidden. Looks like cabinets, but it is actually a hidden pantry. Sweet. So here is, I'll show you the backyard last, but this is breakfast area. Picture it without the fridge. We'll go over here first. This is the primary bedroom. Vaulted ceiling. Floors, these floors are throughout. Got a vanity, double vanity, white cabinets, big tub, closet, racks on both sides, and then toilet, and then here is your shower. Pow. That's what a shower looks like. Bathtub, clean, looks never used. All right, and now we will go out. So the property is about 2,000 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. We are going over here to the secondary living room. So there is a wall to another living room. More vaulted ceiling. So you got a whole nother like kid area or secondary sports watching room, ping pong table, whatever you want. Here's the other bedroom. These bedrooms are huge. I would say this is like 14 by 12 or something. Walk-in closet. Going across, here is the guest bathroom. Clean. And then here is the other bedroom. Same size, mirror, except this one has a huge bookshelf inside. Kind of cool for all you readers. And then here's the closet on this one. Rack. And then we are going to, here is the view of this from this angle. And then here is the utility area. Washer, dryer go here. And then there's like a little bonus area landing thing right here. Give you a little. And then it's your HVAC. There's a door to the outside if you want to park on the side of the house. There is not a garage, so easy access. Going to the back. Yes, you have some horses and cows. There were some really nice looking cows over here before when I was taking pictures, but now they are not there. But I'll do a little pano and shut up. Here we go. Beautiful. So That barn is not part of it. You can see the fence kind of goes around. This would be your designated area. Central air. And then you got this big deck, walk down, and then it's a good sized yard. And that, here, I'll take you out there. Let's see. Don't want to just be like, let's get out to the corner. And then there's the house. It is going to be fully painted soon.